Hey, sixth graders, today we're on lesson 94 in math, and it's on page 488. Your learning objective for this lesson is I can change a fraction, a decimal, or a mixed number to a percent by multiplying by 100. And we're going to go through a few different ways on how to do this for you. So the first example, change 1/3 to a percent. So I write 1/3 as a fraction, and I'm going to multiply it by 100, but I need to do it as a fraction, so 100 over 1. That equals, if I multiply across, 100 over 3. I need to solve this division now. So I'm going to put it in the box, 100 divided by 3. 3 goes into 10. How many times? It goes in 3 times, which is 9. Have 1 left over. Bring down my 0. Again, we have how many times does 3 go into 10? It goes in 3 times, which is 9 with 1 left over. We need to write this percent as a mixed number. So remember, my 3 over here is going to be the bottom of the fraction in the mixed number, and this 1 is going to be brought up here. So our answer is 33 1/3%. You always have to write it as a mixed number with percents. Our next one, write 1.2 as a percent. All we are going to do is 1.2 times 100. You guys know the quick trick that I always talk about. There's 2 zeros behind the 1 in 100. So I move that decimal 2 places to the right. So we have 1.2. I'm going to move it 2 places over and add my 0 there. So our answer is 120%. Remember, you can always use that quick trick just to move that decimal over. Our next example, this is where it gets a little tricky. Write 2 1/4 as a percent. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this. So let's say this 2 right here was a 1. That would be 1 whole, which is 100%. If we have 2 of it, it would be 2 times 100, which is 200. So that part is 200%. Then we're going to break this fraction over here. And 1/4 of 100 is 25%. Then what we do is we put them back together. 200% plus 25% equals 225%. That is one way you can do it. Another way that we can do this is we can change it to an improper fraction. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So it would now become 9/4. And we'll just multiply it by 100. So 9 times 100 is 900. 4 times 1 is 4. Now we are going to divide this out. So 900 divided by 4. 4 goes into 9 2 times, which is 8. Bring down my 0. 4 goes into 10 2 times, which is 8. Oops, minus. We have 2 left over. And 4 goes into 20 5 times. So that gives us 225, and we have 0 left over. So that would be another way to find 225%, just like that.